This is the indication of low battery. That means this is the remote showing it is low battery. It has gone. That indication is saying that you must change the cell in this immediately. Let us see how to do that. Otherwise, you will face the problem of starting off your car. Why? Because it is interconnected with this symbol. So that is the warning symbol. This is the shift car remote, and this is the battery. Panasonic lithium 3 volts child resistant packaging CR2032. See, here also it is written Panasonic CR2032 3 volts, and you can go through the details written here. Now let us open. This is very simple. Just pull the key from this and see. From here you can open it. Place the screwdriver here and pull it gently. Open it. It will get open. See. This is the same battery here. Place it. Panasonic CR2032 3 volts. Made in Indonesia. Once you remove this, this will look like this. This will look like this inside. This is Suzuki. Gently push out the cell. Yes. You remove the cell. This cell is over. Now check here any rust or anything. It is very clear. Yes. Take the cell and place it here. Now it is in place. This is press fitted here in both the match. Press it, press it, press it. Yes, yes, it is over. It is done. You can place the key here. Now it is over. It is ready for use. Now I changed the battery in this. Now see, it is operating. Again, I am closing. Whereas I have two remotes. Whereas there is a battery in this, it is getting operated. The battery is not placed in this, but the battery is discharged. See, it is not working. Whereas I replaced the battery in this, it is working now. You can check. You can check the sound. And you can check the light also. Now it is fantastic. Now I have to change the battery in this. This is working accurately after changing the battery. I hope this video is useful and informative. Let us meet again.